The number of users on social networking site was 45,000 in February when they officially went public and grew to 60,000 by October. The site is growing exponentially and the growth continues at the same rate. And approximately how many users should they expect in 2 years after they went public? So let the equation, since this is an exponential growth, let it is determined by a is equal to a naught times uh, e raised to bt, where a naught is the initial value. So it was 45,000 in February. So let's a naught will be 45 because that's the initial value. We are not writing thousand because we'll say that a represent thousands. Then we have e raised to bt as it is. Now t denotes let's t denotes of the number of months after after February, because in February they started. So in October, from February, that will be March, April, May, June, July, August, and September and October. So the value of t comes out as 8 in October. And 8. So if we substitute t as 8, the value of a has grown to 60,000. So a is 60, this is 45, and this is e raised to 8b. We divide both sides by 45, this will be 60 over 45 is e raised to 8b. Then we have the natural log of 60 over 45, that will be equal to natural log of e raised to 8b, which means that a natural log of 60 over 45 is actually equal to this 8b will drop down since this is in the power. And finally, the value of b from here comes out as, let me just grab my calculator over here. So that will be 60 over 45, and the natural log of this value over 8. So the value of b comes out as 0.03596. And once we have the value of b, we can now find the population after 2 years. That is, t is equal to 20. Expect 2 years after they went public means t is 24 because 2 years has 24 months. So first off, what will be the final equation? Final equation will be a is equal to 45 times e raised to 0.03596t, and after 2 years, that is t is equal to 24. The value of a comes out as 45 times e raised to 0.03596 times 24. So this value comes out as you multiply by 24, and e raised to this value times 45 comes out as 106.67. So the population is close to 107,000. So let's see in the options. Yes, we have an option D which says 107,000. Thank you.